Hello, Ed boys.
Huh?
You're crazy. Do not fool Rolf. I was born to be wild.
Chicken!
Yeehaw!
Holy mackerel! Say the magic words. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly.
Hey!
What are you? Some kind of troll or something?
All that hard work.
Help me! Don't let the monster eat me! Loser!
All that hard work.
Huh? Loser! What are you? Some kind of troll or something? Swim along! Ha-ha! Did you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Holy mackerel!
What? And ruin all this frustration?
Say the magic words.
Yeehaw! I was born to be wild.
Chickens!
Help me! Get it on!
Holy mackerel!
Serves you right after all the things you've done to Thomas.
Aye, keeping him here when he wanted to go home and trying to trick his friend.